In this video, I wanted to show you the signs for hearing, hard of hearing, and deaf or deaf. Hearing. You're going to take your pointer finger of your right hand or your dominant hand, put it in front of your mouth, and go out and around. Hearing. 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 Hard of hearing. So make an H, and you're going to have your fingers pointed straight out, left side over to the right. Hard of hearing. Hard of hearing. Deaf. Use your pointer finger and you can start at your mouth to your ear or go from your ear to your mouth. I've seen either way used before, so they're fine. So pointer finger, deaf or deaf. So I just wanted to show you those three signs for hearing, hard of hearing, and deaf.